In less than 2 days, I am turning the big 32, and I decided, you know what would be fun if we celebrated together by doing an unboxing haul of all the things that I bought for myself for my birthday this year. I have been so obsessed with action figures, and I bought some of the ones that I've been eyeing for the past few months. All right, first up, this is what we got. Let's see what's in here. Okay, we got first up. This is the figure that started off my figure collection addiction this year. I first saw this on Instagram and I said, I need to have it. And so I searched up where I could find it, where I can buy it. And here it is, 112 action figure from Mafex Toys. We got the Ultimate Neighbor, Superior Scarlet Spider-Man. And I want to open it fully, but I need to save that for another video. How about I just pull it out of the box and show you guys really quick. Spider-Man is one of my favorite superheroes of all time. I remember growing up watching the first Spider-Man movie and I felt so inspired. I wanted to be Spider-Man. So. Oh my God. Look at that bad boy. Okay, all right, that's enough. I gotta put it back. I gotta put it back in the box. I didn't even show myself. I gotta save the unboxing for another day, but this is so nice. I can't wait to fully unbox this, actually get to play around with it and do a full review. Absolutely ecstatic about having this in my figure collection. Great unboxing haul start to the birthday haul, so let's keep it going. All right, let's do this one right here. Here is another box. I bought these all from AliExpress, let's be real, except for one. And I didn't see what's open here, but let's see. Okay, we got the Hush Batman figure. Let's go. Unfortunately, the packaging has been all messed up. As you can see, it's kind of tragic. But I am so stoked about this one here. I remember looking and browsing through the store and then hearing about the release of the Hush Batman and the articulation, the cape, everything about it just felt so sick. Batman was also my favorite DC hero growing up. There was always like, you know, Batman and Superman. My cousin loved Superman, but I was all about Batman. I just loved his whole aesthetic. He's super dark, you know, the Dark Knight, right? Fairly cheap. This was probably like 30 bucks, I think, around there. So a great buy. The Scarlet Spider-Man was about 50, 55-ish, but we move on. Here's one from Big Bad Toy Store. I'm in Canada. It's hard for me to get stock from figures that I really want. So I buy it from a US store, Big Bad Toy Store. Really great service. It ships fast. I think this package shipped faster than some of my other ones. That's saying a lot. And I ordered that later than the other ones. Oh, they got a little bit of like a Christmas card. That's sick. So I've been on a little bit of a kick on Street Fighter. Yes, 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 yes. So we got here Ultra Street Fighter 2, the final challenger. We got Ryu. And I remember seeing the Ryu figure online and just seeing everyone pose and all the toy photography they've been doing with this Ryu. This is such a classic Ryu figure, and I'm excited just to add it to the collection. Check that out. That's Ryu right there. So dope. Growing up, I was always a Ryu fan, but here's the real kicker. As much as I love Ryu, Ken was my favorite. I have this thing where I love the underdogs more than the main character sometimes. Dragon Ball Z, prime example. My favorite character, Vegeta. Vegeta was so cool. I don't know, his attitude, the way he composes himself, but not only that, it was his character arc and just how much his personality evolved. The second lead I'm always kind of drawn to, but still, Ryu has a special place in my heart. He was like one of my favorite characters, especially playing like the Marvel vs. Capcom series, and of course Street Fighter, but like, yeah, so dope. We're gonna add Ryu to the pile. Okay. We got this bad boy right here. And if this is exactly what it says it is, I'm gonna be so happy. I paid a little bit more than retail because of how hard it is to get in Canada. And every time I've searched it up on stores and eBay, the price is just insane. Let's find out. Saw a glimpse of it. Oh my God, it's packaged perfectly. This is also from AliExpress too, but this is way better packaged. Look at all the protection. Holy. Oh my God. All right, guys, this is a special treat. Okay, Storm Collectibles made these Storm Arena figures, and this is the Street Fighter Alpha 3 Ryu. Okay, I know we just unboxed the Ryu, but this was the real one that I actually wanted. I've been obsessing over this figure on Instagram and Threads over the past like 2 months. Holy cow, man. It is so cool to finally own this. I'm so ready to get some like sick poses out of this thing. The articulation and just like the build, Storm Arena really knocked it out of the park with this one. And I'm so excited to just get into a full unboxing, full review of it. The Street Fighter Alpha 3 series has some of my most favorite art. And my holy grail from Storm Arena, from Storm Collectibles, is to get the Street Fighter Alpha 3 Ken. And just for an FYI, for my birthday, my wife was asking me like, what do you want? You know, like, what do you need? I'll get it for you. You know what I asked for? Ken. I asked for Ken. And so Ken is on his way. So Ryu will have a buddy and a partner in my home office very soon. I am so stoked to add this also to my collection. Fairly inexpensive for the quality. And you know what? It's worth it. If it makes you happy and fills your cup, do it. Enjoy the things that you love, enjoy the things that you want to enjoy. Here is the holy grail of holy grails for a figure that I've wanted my entire life. I remember looking on eBay and finding this figure, and I was like, one day you will be mine. One day I will unbox you and I will add you to my collection. And today is that very damn day. Fun story about this one. My local hobby shop, Me Hobbies, they're not open every single day of the week. They're only open on Fridays and Saturdays for a very short window of time. What they do is that on Friday mornings, they post what the new stock is going to be, and they do like teasers. They do two waves of the post. The first post in the morning is like a teaser. Here's some of the items that are coming in. And then 30 minutes before they open, they put the full list of pictures of everything that they've gotten for shipment. And lo and behold, what did I see? I made it my mission to be the very first one to line up that day because I knew there were probably going to be some other people who were going to probably want to buy this. And did it cost me a leg and an arm and a kidney? Yes. Was it worth it? 100,000%. Yeah. I walked in and I said, hey, Ariel, what's up? How's it going? How many of these do you got? And you know, he said he only had 4 in stock. 2 were already accounted for. And this one and another one were the only ones left. He told me the price and I cried a little bit inside. I was willing to pay that price. Like, I didn't even get to see how it looks inside yet. I haven't opened it up yet. I've been saving it for a special moment, but like, do we open it? So if you guys don't know what this is Gurren Lagann, okay? And this, this is a reissue of the figure that is out online right now. And I think they updated it. I don't remember exactly what. The brand is Mortal Mind, but this is Gurren Lagann, and one of my all-time favorite animes. Okay, this is like top 3, not even top 5. This is top 3. And so this figure right here is gonna have a buddy soon, but a bigger one. So imagine this, but 4 times the size. This looks good, then you can imagine how this is gonna look. So yeah, crossing this off the lifelong goal list. So stoked to just be owning this, to be the owner of this. I'm getting sweaty just thinking about it. I think the biggest thing that I've learned being 31 is to say yes to my hobbies, because stuff like this, it lights me up, man. Like, I feel more myself when I'm doing things like this, when I'm just like playing with toys and these action figures, the things that I'm so drawn to. Like this past week, I also built a Wing Gundam Zero, and like, look at this thing. Spending the time on my hobbies, building model kits, posing figures, taking photos of the figures, you know, doing some cool B-roll shots, unboxing videos, filming my experience and the joy that I experience of all the things that I never used to have as a kid. Now that I'm in a position where I have the job that I have, and it allows me to invest in my hobbies and to buy things just like this, it's just such an incredible feeling. And so, showing more of that on camera and sharing it with the world. If that's what you enjoy and you want to see more of that journey, you know, feel free to hit the follow button, or if I'm posting this on YouTube, subscribe. Going into 32, that's just kind of my mental note that I'm keeping for myself and to move forward with, is to enjoy life, enjoy my hobbies. And I hope that you can do that too. The things that light you up on fire, you know, really invest in yourself. If it fills up your cup, why not? You know, don't have this scarcity mindset. Like, money's gonna come and go. Money will come, and you know, get those life experiences, things. If it doesn't even have to be this stuff that I'm doing right now. Like if that's travel to you, have those experiences. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this birthday unboxing haul. I'm gonna go play with some toys, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay blessed. Peace.